Hello friends, welcome to the self-learning. Today we are going to see how to change the eye color, and I'm going to create a new layer for here. Again I'm going to click here, adjustments and curve adjustment, and change the curve here like this, brightness, and click here. And I'm going to select this eye using elliptical q tool, command plus zoom here, and make it selection, and press space bar to arrange the selection. Okay, into the move tool and click this curve mask and press the convert eye to mask it, and press Ctrl D to deselect, and here it's perfect, and press again command I. It's come like this, and you have to blur the edges, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. It's fine. Okay, and you can arrange this one and a little bit rotate this one. Press enter. Now I'm going to make the group. Press Ctrl G for group, and I'm going to drag this curve adjustment mask layer to group. Press Alt and drag it. If you put into the group, it is restricted to the eye. You can see. I'll show you. Now I'm going to delete this layer. Click here and press Shift backspace here and select the white. Okay, here now it's come like this. Here I have a new layer, and check with the paintbrush, using paintbrush, and yeah, I'm painting. It's visible on the mask layer. Right, I'm going to delete this layer. Now I'm going to create adjustments, new hue saturation layer, and adjust. I'm going to create the blue color here. You can change the color here, green, blue, and the opposite side from green, blue, and I down the saturation. Okay, here the parts come out, and I want to remove this one, and here the blue color appear on this black also, and we are going to remove this one. I'm going to the group icon and remove this masking link. Click here, brush, black color, command plus zoom, I'll get the real soft brush and clean this eyelash, and I'm going to bring this the hard brush. It's fine, and press Ctrl minus zoom out. It's really nice. I'm going to give some green effect from this point, and you can see the internet from this, the blue eyes, like here some green effects. And I'm going to create some layer here, adjustments, curve adjustment layer. I'm going to change blue. Here if I increase the blue, then you can increase the blue, and I'm going to increase the blue. Green, really good. Blue and green. I click the green. Just this. And red. I'm going to increase red a little bit. And RGB. And increase some RGB here. And blue. And this. It's nice. Nice. Now I'm going to make the image. Control I. Erase the layer. Here. Nothing. And I'm going to make the brush tool. And masking. And erase. Here. Taking the soft brush. Changing opacity a little bit down. Okay. Next the brush size. Control minus zoom out. Now you can see the eye. Now I'm going to make the outside a little bit darker. And click here and create new curve adjustment layer, and I'm going to make a little bit dark. A bit darker. And I'm going to press Ctrl I. To the brush and make it a soft brush. Change it right. And like this. Control and zoom out. And you can see the original one and the edited one. Here, this I got the original one, and this is a recreated new one. Now we are going to make with different colors, and click here the group. I'm going to make the copy of this group. Okay, and turn off this one. Keep it here. Turn off this layer. And the event saturation layer. I can change the color from here. Now I'm going to click the colorize. Colorize. I'm going to arrange the colors, different colors. Now I'm going to arrange the green color. That's fine. It's green. And saturation, you can arrange the saturation. And arrange a little bit down, darker, green, this one, okay. And light. Okay. And I'm going to turn on this curve layer. And double click here. I want to change the color. Blue. And different colors. Plus zoom. And change the RGB. And red up more, and green. Change. It's okay. Here we can make like this, and if you want to change this color more, and the mask and take the brush and reduce the opacity 44 something, and I can press the wheel. Control minus zoom out, create more colors or fancy colors. Turn off this one. Here you can arrange with another color like this, the yellow and silver. Good. And I'm going to change this curve. You can make this curve RGB. Yes. Okay. Hi guys, thank you for watching.